Hello, today we're going to do Module 7, Lesson 15. Our objective is that we're going to solve word problems to determine the perimeter with given side lengths. So basically we're going to be using word problems, so we'll have to draw our own pictures. No problem. So here's the first one. Clara and Pedro each use 4 3-inch by 5-inch cards to make their rectangles. Whose rectangle has a greater perimeter? Now, this is the outside shapes. This one is Clara's, and here's what she did. She took her 3 by 5 cards and she laid them like this. So this length is, I need a smaller, the pencil's just a little bit too big here. Okay. This is her 3-inch. This would be her 5-inch side of her cards, and she laid them end to end. This one right here is Pedro's, and Pedro oops. Goodness gracious, I'm already having issues drawing today. That's alright. Okay, fix it. Okay. Now, he took his like this, and he set them by the sides. Okay, so this right here would be his 3-inch side, and this would be his 5-inch side. Okay? Now, what do we know about adding up our shapes? So let's find the perimeter for Clara's. If this is 3 inches, then this opposite one is going to be 3 inches, right? Okay, if this is 5 inches, then this will be 5 inches, and this will be 5 inches, and this will be 5 inches. So this whole length is going to be 20 inches, right? So 20 inches long, which means that this is going to be 20 inches long. Okay, if that's the case, let's add them up. We would have 3 plus 3 plus 20 plus 20. This would be 40, and this is 6. So that's going to be 46 inches is hers. Okay, Pedro, it's a little bit more complicated. So we've got to add 3 inches here. This is going to be 5 inches. This will be 5 inches. Remember, the opposite side is going to be 3 inches, and this will be 3 inches. Okay, and this will be 5. So this tells me that this length is 10. This length is 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. So when we add up Pedro's, this side will be 10, and this side will be 6. Okay, so let's add up Pedro's. So 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10. Now I know this is 20. I know this is 12. 20 plus 12 is 32 inches. So who's got the larger perimeter? Clara does. Okay, so let's write that down. Clara's rectangle has the greatest perimeter. Okay, now that's kind of fun. Let's move on to the next one. Mrs. Coslow put a border around a 5-foot by 6-foot rectangular bulletin board. How many feet of border did Mrs. Coslow use? Now this is a common problem for Mrs. Corlett. Very common problem. Now, just want to make sure I have one. Okay. Let's make a rectangular bulletin board. You can just imagine Mrs. Corlett trying to figure this out. So here's our bulletin board. It is a 5-foot by 6-foot bulletin board. Okay, so how many feet of border do I need to go all the way around? This is something I have to find out, because what I usually end up is that I'm short on border and I have to add extra colors or shapes. So let's see. If the opposite sides are going to be equal, so it's going to be 5 feet. This will be 6 feet. Now let's add them up. 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. That'll give me 22 feet. Okay, so Mrs. Make sure you always write your statement. Kozlow used 22 feet of border on her bulletin board. All right. Okay, one more problem. Now, this is kind of cool. We've been talking about this a lot in our class. So, Jason built a model of the Pentagon for a social studies project. He made each outside wall 33 centimeters long. What is the perimeter of Jason's model Pentagon? Now, I wanted you to see a real picture of the Pentagon. Now, this is a photo that I borrowed off of the internet. This is the link where you can find it right here. Here is our Pentagon. Okay, so now watch as I trace its shape. This is looking at it like you're flying over it, like with a helicopter airplane. So see this right here, and then comes down right here. This is the roof. And it comes over here. It comes here, and it comes here. It is a regular pentagon. Isn't that neat? This is why we call it the Pentagon, because it really is a pentagon. So this is what Jason wanted to build a model of. How cool would that be? Okay, so here's what he wanted to do. Let's use this shape to help him. Now, what I think is neat is the inside. Someday I'd like to go visit it and see what it looks like. Okay, now, he made each outside wall 33 centimeters. So if this is 33 centimeters, then as a regular pentagon, all the sides are going to be 33 centimeters, right? Okay, so this will be 33 centimeters. This is going to be 33 centimeters. This will be 33 centimeters. And this will be 33 centimeters. Okay, so now we need to add them up. So 33 plus 33 plus 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, now I know 33 plus 33 is going to be 66. I know 33 plus 33 is going to be 66. Okay, I know that 66 plus 33 is going to be 99. 3 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 9, or 3 plus 6 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, now I only have to add 99 and 66. Okay, so let's add that up. 9 plus 6 is 15. This is going to be 16. Okay, so my total is 165 centimeters. So what's the answer? What is my statement? What is the perimeter of Jason's model pentagon? The perimeter of Jason's model pentagon. Now we capitalize it because this is actually the name of the building. We're not saying that it's a shape. We're saying this is the name of the building. So it's a proper noun. The perimeter of Jason's model pentagon is 165 centimeters. Period. Wouldn't that be neat to build a model of this building? That would be a pretty cool project. All right. Now good luck, and I'll see you soon.